And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man?
What's going on?
What you running here?
6 EVLs on 2 Smart 3s.
Oh, yeah. Got a lot of it back there, man.
A little bit. It's only been in a couple months, still working on it. Haven't cleaned it up, haven't tuned it.
But it's playing.
It's playing.
That's it.
That's all I care about.
That's the main thing. Now, if it wasn't playing with me.
Remember when I used to be the brokest, I was
Appreciate it.
Man. You on social media and where they can follow you?
Yeah, we're Team Deadbeats. We're on Facebook, TikTok.
Okay.
And yeah, if you give me your info, I'll send you my personal.
Okay, yeah, I left it right here in the little thing there. Okay,
right.
man, I see it was good seeing you, brother.
I appreciate
you next
you,
one, man.
Yes, sir.
You still rolling? Yeah, you still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.